Exercise number 1, T-bar row. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Stand over the T-bar with knees slightly bent and back straight. Pull the handle toward your chest by driving your elbows back. Squeeze your back muscles at the top, then lower the weight slowly. Exercise number 2, dumbbell shrug. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Stand tall holding a dumbbell in each hand at your sides. Lift your shoulders straight up toward your ears. Pause and squeeze your traps at the top, then lower slowly with control. Exercise number 3, Wider grip lat pull down. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Sit at the machine and grip the bar wider than shoulder width. Pull the bar down toward your upper chest while keeping your chest lifted. Slowly release the bar back up to stretch your lats. Exercise number 4, straight arm pull down. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Stand facing the cable with arms straight and hands on the bar. Pull the bar down toward your thighs while keeping your arms extended. Focus on squeezing your lats, then return slowly. Exercise number 5, cable seated row. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Sit tall and grab the cable handle. Pull the handle toward your waist while squeezing your shoulder blades together. Extend your arms slowly to keep constant tension on your back. Exercise number 6, barbell upright row. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Stand holding a barbell with hands close together. Pull the bar straight up toward your chest, leading with your elbows. Lower it slowly while keeping your core tight.